Hello guys! So for today's gagawa tayo ng dessert. Creamy and sweet jelly with sago. Yes po, very easy at budget friendly guys. So, ang kailangan lang natin ay any color of jelly. Alam niyo naman po siguro kung anong procedure niyan. Hiwain lang natin siya ng maliliit. Ayan po, hiwa lang natin ng maigi. Sandali lang yan lutuin, around 5 minutes. At ayan, ilalagyan na natin yung sago. So yung sago is pinakulo na natin yan bago pa natin iluto yung gelatin. At yan, lagyan natin ng condensed milk, around 3 tablespoon. At all-purpose cream. So very easy guys. Swak na swak sa mga budget natin ngayong darating ang holiday. Ayan guys. At very creamy siya. So ayun lang po, bagong idea sa darating na Christmas and New Year. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Thank you guys. Bye!